Hey, MAGA kind of patriots. Hey, this whole starting up this trial right now, right in the middle of a presidential campaign, sure does feel a whole lot like election interference, don't it? I mean, right now, of all times, and I was thinking the same thing, but you know what I did? I got up on the DuckDuckGo, y'all, and I used the Google. I did do that, y'all. Don't tell anybody. I did that, and you know what I found out? What happened was, Trump was doing all this criming back in 2016 whenever he was running for president the first time. Yep, dang sure did. And see, it's the same case that Michael Cohen got locked up for 3 years on. And see, and Trump was named as co-conspirator number one in that. But see, what happened was whenever he become president, he couldn't be indicted because he's a president and you can't indict a president. And so that don't mean that the crime went away. It just means he couldn't be indicted. So after he got done playing president, they indicted him. And well, that's the reason why that he announced that he was running for president as early as he did, kind of like the earliest that any candidate has ever announced. Because in Trump's perfect little brain, he said, well, if I announce that I'm running for president, I'm a candidate, can't be indicted because I'm running for president. He was wrong, is what happened. His brain was wrong. And so they indicted him. Well, the reason why it took so long to get it pushed back to this date is because Trump was using these expensive lawyers and stuff like that to appeal and try to get that trial date pushed back, just like he's doing with all these other trials. Well, he could only push this one back so far, and it just wound up, landing right here in the middle of a presidential campaign. So really what happened is Trump interfered in his own election. He did that to himself, y'all. So he got indicted, and now he's in court. So it's not election interference other than what Trump did to himself. Well, now yesterday's court, his defense attorneys come out, and they pretty much just admitted that, yeah, he did all this stuff. But they tried to say that it wasn't illegal what he did. Well, there was objections, and the judge, had to instruct the jury, hey, don't listen to what that defense attorney said because he's gaslighting y'all and he's lying to y'all. So they pretty much admitted that everything that he's being accused of, he did, but they're trying to say it wasn't illegal. I don't think that's going to fly. See, I don't know if Trump did that on purpose. He was like telling his attorneys, he's like, hey, hurry this thing up. Go ahead and admit to everything. Maybe we can get this thing, just go ahead and get it out of the way. Before people realize that I'm pooping on myself in here. He might not know that people can smell it yet. And so, which means if people find out and he does get reelected, he's going to be known around the world by other world leaders and stuff as like, President lies and shits or something like that. And he don't want that. But apparently he's trying to hurry this thing along. Now, today, they're going to be hearing all this contempting that he's been doing. And I think it's like 10 charges. Well, it turns out in the state of New York, contempting means that you either get a $1,000 fine or you get 30 days in jail. Well, he's got 10 of these, and just yesterday, he was going after the jury again. So I don't know what's going to happen. Now, he might just wind up with a $1,000 fine this time, but the next time he contempts, that's going to be 30 days in jail for Trump, y'all. Oh, tingles. Y'all. Oh, tingles. So he better be careful because this is a long trial. It's going to be about 6 weeks for him not to contempt one more time because that's all it's going to take, and he's gone, y'all. Inmate Trump 2024.